Ever wonder why your stomach makes that weird growling sound? It's not just because you're hungry. Those sounds come from your intestines, muscles contracting to move food and gas along. The noise gets louder when your stomach's empty, so it echoes more. It's called Borborygmi. Sounds fancy, right? So next time your stomach growls, don't be embarrassed. It's just your body tidying up after a meal. Follow Wellness Shortcut for more quick science about how your body really works.